We recently moved and I do not trust my countertops to cook on. So I got this pastry mat and I have to tell you that I wish I had gotten this so much longer. I'll show you why in a moment. But here it is right when you get it, unrolling it. Just beautiful silicone mat, super simple, goes down smooth, even on the rough surface that is our countertop. You can see how weird and pockmarked it is. I cannot stand it, but this made cooking so much easier this holiday season. So it has measurements along all sides. It is 100% silicone, dishwasher safe. You can throw it in the oven, just be a little careful with it. And then it also comes with some helpful guides on the mat itself. I specifically love the circles, as the main thing I'll use this for is rolling out dough for pies. So rolling out dough, I cannot tell you how much easier it is on this pastry mat than it ever was before. The pastry mat lets it be slick, and I can even pick up the whole mat and then just dump the dough right onto the pie. It just slides off beautifully and made my pie making experience the cleanest it's ever been. It's also remarkably easy to clean. You can put in the dishwasher, but I found that just rinsing it off with some soap and water went remarkably fast. The only real trick is making sure you dry it. I like to flip it over a couple times and just dry it with a towel, and you're good to go. It rolls up small and is ready when you need it.